in question number 5, we have to everything will divide it with by sign. Take LHS and divide the numerator and denominator. Okay, so both numerator and denominator we will divide it by sin A. So what it will become? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by sin A upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by sin A. So if we divide, it will not affect the whole question. Okay, now we will split this sin A. So it will become cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole by again cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. So what we did, just look once. So this one first we divided by sin A, both of them. Then cos A with sin A with sin A, and 1 by sin A. Same way, cos A by sin A by sin A, and 1 by sin A. All sin A I have split it. Okay. So here because it is sin A that cut remain 1, and then cos A by sin A is our cot A. If you remember, I have told you sin A by cos A is your tan A. So opposite of tan, that is cot, minus 1 plus 1 by sin A is your cosec A by again cos A by sin A, cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Now I will just rearrange it to how we will solve this one question. So we will rearrange it. So I write cot A and cosec A together. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Okay, just 1 I am bringing at the corner, that's all. We have not done. So remember the sign. Okay, don't forget that there is a plus, so this will be plus, not minus. No? You will think that, okay, cot A minus, so you will write cot A minus, but what is the sign with cosec is your plus, so that plus will come. Now, here, very complicated thing, this one you try to understand. Into, I will do rationalize the denominator. Okay, kind of that. But thing is how I will do, see this one. Okay, so here it is what is there, minus, no? This minus is there, so I'll do plus. But here you see what I'll do, cot A plus cosec A by cot A plus cosec A. This one is very crucial point. Okay, what we will do here is we are multiplying something. Okay, which both sides we are multiplying. Any number we can, if I multiply or divide, that doesn't change the whole question. Okay, so here you have to remember that this we have to divide and multiply. So these are assumptions we are taking in this question. Okay, like here we took one assumption, the sin A we are dividing. Same way, here also we are taking an assumption that we will multiply and divide by this to get the answer. Okay.
Sir, 1.
No. It's not rationalize the denominator exactly. Okay. Just we are multiplying something to get the answer. Okay. So this you have to remember that this I have to multiply only in this question to get the answer. Upper one we will not do anything. Okay. Upper one will remain same as it is what it is. So we will just write it together. That's all. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1. This is 1 and into cot A plus cosec A. So upper one we will not do anything with that. We'll just keep it as it is. Now lower part. This one you try to multiply. Cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A into cot A minus cosec A. Okay. So this is with multiply with this. What it is becoming? A plus B. A minus B. Okay. Getting now? This whole thing, if we multiply with this one, what it is becoming? This is becoming A plus B. This is becoming A minus B. Okay. So this gives me A square minus B square. It means cot square A minus cosec square A. Is it clear or not? This whole thing gets multiplied with this part. It becomes cot square A minus cosec square A. Very, very complicated these all things. Okay. And this one again will get multiplied with 1. It will just multiply with 1. It will become cot A plus cosec A. Cot A plus cosec A into 1. Cot A plus cosec A. Okay. Is it clear? This step is clear. Very, very complicated this one. Okay. Upper one we did not did anything, just remain same. Down one what we did is this whole part with multiply with this part, we will say this one became, because A plus B, A minus B become A square minus B square, and this one will multiply with 1 will just simply comes this much. Okay. Now up just same thing we will write. Now here one more thing. Okay. So if you remember one formula we have in trigonometric identities, third formula, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Okay. One formula we have, cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Now what we have here is cot square A minus cosec square A. Try to understand this one. Cot square A minus cosec square A we have. Okay. This is plus, this is minus we have. Now how can I get this one as this? What I can do, if I do is multiply both sides minus. So here if I do minus, so it will become minus, it will become plus, it will become minus. Is it clear or not this one? Huh? Again I'll explain. Our formula is cosec square A minus cot square A equal to 1. Okay, this we have formula, and what we need here is cot square A minus cosec square A. That means cot square A has to be positive and cosec square A has to be negative. Okay, to get this part. This is plus, but here it is minus. This is minus, here it is, we have plus. So how we can change? So what we can do is, if I do minus both side multiply, so this side minus, if I do minus this side multiply, so it will become minus, it will become plus, and it will become minus. Is it clear? This one. So what we will do, this whole thing is our now answer is minus 1. Okay, so this whole thing will become minus 1. Okay, plus cot A plus cosec A. So this part you will write somewhere here, right? Okay, this you will write here. I don't have place to write, but you will write here. Okay, so in the bracket you can write this part. Now this whole thing, see now, this whole thing 1 minus 1 plus cot A plus cosec A, minus 1 plus cot A plus cosec A. Is it matching? Just only it is here and there. Okay, so this whole get cancelled with this whole, becoming remaining is cot A plus cosec A equal to RHS. No, cot A plus cosec A. So in this question what we will do is this tan is 4 theta, we will use the formula, the second identity. How we will do? So second identity says, first we will say take LHS tan 4 theta plus tan square theta equal to, now what do we have formula, second identity is your sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Okay, this is your formula is there. Now what I need is tan, no? So if I take the tan, try to understand this one. What I will do, tan I will bring this side, 1 I will bring this side. So what will happen? Sec square theta minus 1, this 1 will come this side, minus 1 is equal to, this tan will go that side, minus tan was there, it will become tan square theta. Understood? So I got a formula from here, tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Understood how I got? So that I'll write only this part, this derived thing. You understood this derived thing, how I did? Okay, how we got sec theta. Now tan 4 theta, what will become? Tan square theta is this. Tan 4 theta means square of square. If I need tan 4 theta, what will become? We need raised to power 4. Understood or not? Or raised to power 2. 2, then only it will become 4. Is it or not? So this means this one also becoming a square. Okay, if I square this side, so we need the square of this side also. Understood this one? Okay. So this one I can write is tan square theta whole square plus tan square theta. Okay. Now tan square theta, what is the formula? Sec square theta minus 1 whole square, because there is a square, plus tan, this tan square theta will become sec square theta minus 1. Because tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. How this came? This is your explanation. Okay. Clear here? Now here we will put a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b whole square formula, a square, that is sec square theta square. That means sec 4 theta. You are getting or not? Okay. A is square, so this is square. So sec square theta again square. A square plus b square minus 2 into, what is your a? Sec square theta into b, that is your 1. Then plus this whole thing, sec square theta minus 1. Then sec 4 theta plus 1 minus 2 sec square theta plus sec square theta minus 1. Now this plus and this minus get cancelled, equal to sec 4 theta. Then you see here 2 minus 2 sec theta and sec square theta, minus 2 sec square theta and sec square theta plus 1. So it will become 2 minus 1, 1. So minus 1 sec square theta or just sec square theta. So this is your answer. So in this question, what we will do, cos theta by 1 minus tan theta we know is sin theta by cos theta plus sin theta. I am going little faster because your concept should be clear now. Anything you will have any doubt, you tell me. Cot theta will become tan's opposite, that is cos theta by sin theta. So here you write, take LHS. Because tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So we have used. Now LCM of this down part, upper we will not do anything. So here will be LCM will be cos theta. There is nothing means 1. So it will become cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, because it is the easiest LCM, so you can do cross multiplication also. Sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Reciprocal them. So cos theta into cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus this side we will reciprocal them, sin theta into sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now it will become cos theta minus sin theta. This will become cos square theta plus this one will become sin square theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Now see here what happened. See one question like earlier also we had this kind of thing where sign is not matching. Signs are not matching. So here you see cos theta minus sin theta, and here sin theta minus cos theta. So just little change is there, minus because of the minus. So what we will do, we'll change this minus. Now what will become, to make it same, what we can do, cos theta minus sin theta, and this side is cos square theta. This plus I will make it into minus. Okay, so this gives me what? This cos theta minus sin theta it became, and upper one is nothing we did, sin square theta. Is it clear? This plus became minus, so this whole thing becomes sign changed. So cos became positive, sin became negative. Now because it is same, now we can do LCM. theta minus sin theta, and this will become cos square theta minus sin, oh yes, sin square theta. Now cos square theta minus sin square theta, what it will become? A square minus b square. Getting now? So this one is becoming a square minus b square. So here we will use the formula a square minus b square. What is your formula? Cos theta minus sin theta, a minus a plus b, and cos theta minus sin theta, a minus b. Cos theta minus sin theta. So here formula is your a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. This formula we have used. So this gives me this cos theta minus sin theta get cancelled. Remaining is your cos theta plus sin theta, because we have written here this way, so we'll write this way. Sin theta plus cos theta equal to r and this. So one type of question you understood. These kind of questions are very easy to identify. Okay, these kind of question always see, you will be seeing this side root, or you may see this side not root, then this side will be whole square. Sometimes question used to become like that. Okay, both way you have to do the same method to do the question. Okay, sometimes this root is not here, it will become this side. So these kind of questions are very easy to identify if any different type of question comes in the exam. Okay, which is not sec theta, or which is your question number sixth part in the main question, question number 5, that root question, root 1 plus sin theta by minus sin theta. Okay, so what we will do here is rationalize the denominator. So take LHS and rationalize the denominator. So root of sec theta minus 1, sec theta plus 1 into, what is that minus now? So sec theta minus 1 by sec theta minus 1. So we will do rationalize. Is equal to, now upper one will become sec theta minus 1, sec theta minus 1, it will become sec theta minus 1 whole square, and down one sec theta plus 1, sec theta minus 1. Here formula is your a plus b, a minus b, that is sec square theta minus 1 square, also you can write. Is equal to, this we will keep now, sec theta minus 1 by whole square by sec square theta minus 1. So again, here what formula we are using? Sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. No? So tan square theta, if goes that side, 1 comes this side. So it will become sec theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. No? So sec square theta minus 1 will become tan square theta. So whole root. Now there is a square, there is a square, so I can make it into whole square. Sec theta minus 1 by tan theta whole square whole root. Get cancelled, roots get cancelled. then equal to sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Now this one will become sec theta by tan theta minus this one will become 1 by tan theta. Now problem here comes is there is no relation, direct relation between sec theta and tan theta. So what we can do now, this part what I will do, I will separate them so that it will be easy for you to understand. See, sec theta into 1 by tan theta, can I write like this? Okay, and this side 1 by tan square 1 by tan theta, directly I can write cot theta. So this cot theta part we got. Okay, only this cosec theta we did not got. So it will become cot theta. So that is because 1 by tan theta is your cot theta. Okay, so that got finished, only this part. Now what we can do here is I can write this one. There are so many ways, but okay, I'll see simplest one which you know now till now. So sec theta I can make it into 1 by cos theta can become. Okay, now tan theta, try to understand this one. Tan theta is our what? Sine by cos. If sine by cos it will become, so cos by sine it will become. This part you understood, this one? 1 by tan theta is there. So tan theta is your sine by cos theta. So cos theta will go up, sine theta will remain down. Is it clear, that one? So cos theta by sine theta minus cos theta. So this cos get cancelled, and 1 by sine theta is your cosec theta. 1 by sine, so reciprocal of sine is your cosec minus cot theta equal to RHS. So this part was something new. Okay,